Hi everyone, this is Laika and welcome back again to Car Accessories. So for today's video, I am here to discuss about these Infinity car speakers. Today we are checking out these Infinity speakers and this is all about clarity and accuracy, not just a loud bass or shaking power. What makes these speakers special is how balanced they sound. You get clean mids and detailed highs and a controlled bass that does not overpower the music, so everything stays clear and natural. And guys, if you are into classic rock, you will really hear those guitar riffs and drums hit in detail. For acoustic, folk, and jazz, the vocals and instruments sound smooth and very natural, like you are in a live session. Blues comes out warm and emotional. Pop and vocal heavy tracks are crisp and upfront, while classical or orchestral music feels wide and well layered, and you can actually hear each instrument clearly separated. So if you are looking for a sound that stays true to the original recording and focuses on clarity over distortion, these Infinity speakers are definitely a solid choice. And here at Car Accessories, you don't just get a high quality speakers, you also get a complete set of accessories ready for installation. So everything is a hassle-free and plug and play. Plus, with its reasonable price point, you are getting premium sound quality, durability, and value for your money all in one package. So if you want this kind of speaker setup with clear and accurate sound, visit us here at Car Accessories. We are conveniently located near Makati, Paranaque, Cebu, or Davao.